that I had told you, the Chinky and the Minky. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lobo Family Vlogs. It's me, Melissa, and today I would like to wish you all a happy Christmas and a happy New Year in advance. So today I would like to share all the makeup details with you. My mother has bought a lot of makeups that I want to share all the details with you before she gets to know all of this which is inside this. So let us start. Shh, don't tell mother, she might come back and scold me. So let us start. Abracadabra, open the magic box. Oh my god, there is a lot of makeup. Which one should I start with? Let us start with this. What is this? It is a Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows. It is a brows liner with the brush within it. So that was the first one. Which one goes next? Oh, it is the Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with Vitamin E. It is, I think, a foundation, maybe, or it is a spray or something, we might not know. So this might go next. What will be the third one? I better this one goes third. Oh, I'm so excited to open. What is this? It is Pro Concealer Palette. It is full of colors. It is like conceal, correct and contour. It is, look. It is too colorful. So this might be the third one. What will be the fourth one? Oh, this is too tiny. It is like cream in tint. We might not know. Maybe it might be a lipstick like last time which I got, or it might be a concealer or something. So let us see. Next we'll go. Oh, it is full of water. It is like Miss Claire Primer Spray First Base. So it is the first base before you apply your makeup. We should apply this one. So it is too exciting. So what will be the sixth one? Ooh, it is High Coverage Waterproof Base Foundation. So this is a foundation. Wow. And the next one, it is a lip liner, super lip liner. Look, it might be red. Yeah, it might be red. Look. Okay, what will be the next one? It is Mama Earth. It is from Mama Earth, and it is like a moisture matte long stay lipstick. It is a lipstick. Oh wow. What is this? Oh, this is a kajal. 2 into intense kajal. It is a kajal. It is blue color, which I am wearing. And this is a lipstick. Oh, wow. Maybe it might be brown or red. There are a lot. And oh, this is orange. I have never seen an orange lipstick. And it is magic. You know, it is magic. It is like orange color lipstick, but no, it turns into pink. Oh wow. And this is what I am wearing also. It is a greenish blue color eyeliner again, kajal. And there is one more. What is this? It is Swiss Beauty again. Ultra Fine Loose Finish Powder Primer for Porcelain Smooth Skin. So it is for smooth skin. This is a powder. And last and first, it is one lipstick. God knows which lipstick. Oh wow. So I can open all these things from now. Are you excited? Yes? No? So I am excited. I am gonna open. So let us start with this one. So first we use this Miss Claire primer spray, first base. We put it at the first, as I told. We first put this and then we pat it on our face so that our face is moist, full moist. So it looks like this. So at the next side we have like that I told you, Pro concealer palette. Let us see. Come on. Yeah. So it is like this. Oh wow. The purple one is very shiny and moisty. So look, it looks like this. Before my mother comes, let me keep it back. Oh my god. Come on. Yes. So next we have the high coverage. I think it is, yep, the foundation. So this we put it on our base of our skin. It is very waterproof. Okay. Look. So this foundation lasts for a lot of time. So now I'm gonna apply it a bit on my hand and show you how it looks. Not a lot, not a lot. Oh good, that's not a lot. Look, let me blend it. This is my face color. It suits me. So let me wipe and then go to the next product. Oh geez. Wow. And it also lasts for a lot of time, you know that. So the next one is Swiss Beauty. It is an extra fine loose finish powder. It covers our dark spots and everything. Oh, I thought there was a lot. So let us take this. This is a bit and cute. Yup. So let me put it on my hand and show you. Look. You cannot see. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. It is like a Sebamed cream. Okay, let me keep it back. Put this back. I wouldn't have ever left this powder. This is too cute and beautiful. It also smells nice. So let me wipe it up. So next up is our eyebrow, this thing. We have 3 shades and one of them, this one is a wax. It settles our eyebrows. I would like to share how it looks. So come on. First thing is brown, dark brown. Look, too dark. And the next one is a bit light brown. I think this one suits my skin. Nope. Look. And the next one, maybe this one suits because this is a skinish color. Yup. This one suits. This is not visible. Look. And I think I can put the wax or not. Yep, not. If it settles on my hand, it would look very weird. So let me wipe it up. So next up is our super lip liner. It is very moisty and it looks like a pencil. Look. So let me apply. Wow, it is brown shade. Look, can you see? Yes. So the next one is Mama Earth Moist Matte Long Stay Lipstick. It is a lipstick. So look, wow, look at the color. Oh wow, it is very pink in shade. Wait. Now, is it visible or? Yes. Wait. So the next one is, as I told you, the lipstick. Maybe it might be brown and red, that much. It is mixed maybe. It looks like a brown shade. Let us apply. Oh no, it is a pink shade. We all were wrong. It looks like a pink shade. Look, it looks like a pink shade. We all were wrong. So let us go through the another product, and this one is a magical one. I'm so excited. So come on. It is orange, but no, it is not. Look, it looks like a jelly, right? Look, let me apply. We should wait for a while, and then you will see the result that it is a light pink. Let me apply it over here. So I should wait for 5 minutes until it turns into pink. Did it? Yep, it did. Look. Can you see that? Oh wow. Yep. Next is a very moisty and liquidy lipstick. I don't know the name of it. It is written like ink lipstick. So look. Isn't that magical? Let me put it the place where I had started. Look. Very pink. That is the color which I am wearing on my dress. Next comes up this one. This was a free product because we bought all of these. So this is a free product. Oh, this was the ones which we had seen in the last product which I had done. Look. It is cream in tint. It is in shade cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. So let us see. Oops. Look. Let me apply. It is brown shade. Wow. And look, I'm gonna apply it over here so that it is visible for you all. So look. Is it visible? Yeah? Okay. So then, oops. So the next one is that I had told you, the Chinky and the Minky. I'm just kidding. It is a bluish teal. Yeah, it looks like a teal green color kajal. We can apply it as an eyeliner or a kajal, anything. Where did it go? Yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Is it visible? No, it's okay. So let me wear it over here so that it is visible for you. Look. So teal. It is teal in color. I thought it was green. Next it is the Minky. It is blue. So blue are very dark. This blue is very dark than this, but it is also a color changed color. This shade. Is it visible? Yes. So last and first of all, we have this one. This is and makeup fixer. This is natural and this is used whenever you're done using your makeup, and this keeps your makeup still for the whole day. So let me open which side. Where? Don't play hide and seek. Yes. Good girl. So this is makeup fixer natural. This is aloe vera with vitamins E. This is Swiss Beauty again. So let me open it. Yep. So it smells like sanitizer. So let me apply or not? Let me apply. No, because I did not even apply a foundation or a makeup. Oops, I kept the cap alone. No, you both stay together. I don't want you to get separated. So now, these all I brought for New Year, and these all I enjoyed spending most of your times with you, and also I have all the price and the details of these products in the description box. You can go through it and then buy all these products. So see you next time. Bye bye.